Good day, sir, madam. My name is Angelica Dumawin, Filipino, 25 years old, single. I have one brother, two sisters, and I'm the second child in the family.
Okay, so what are your duties and responsibilities in your previous job?
My duties and responsibility from my previous job are cleaning the house, cooking, taking care of the children.
Can you tell us how to take care of the elderly?
Sir, madam, I will treat them as my own grandmother, grandfather, and I will give them proper food, medicines, and I will give them love and comfort.
Okay, so what are the dishes and menu that you can cook?
Sir, madam, I can cook Filipino food like adobo, sinigang, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes.
Who will take care of your family if you're working in Hong Kong?
Sir, my cousin and my other relatives will take care of my family.
How would you describe your character?
Sir, madam, I'm loyal, honest, hardworking, and responsible person.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family.
Thank you so much, Ms. Dumawin, and hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Thank you, sir, madam.